Hey everybody, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and it is time for a new video that is completely out of this world. It's a hint. It's foreshadowing. Get ready to live the movies with a trip to Disney's Hollywood Studios, home to many Star Wars attractions, especially Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. See, that's the out of this world part. But first, if you haven't done that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when all of these helpful videos pop up. All right, you ready? Strap in. Here we go. You can never have enough of Hollywood Studios with its thrilling rides, including Rise of Resistance, and more spectacular attractions such as Droid Depot, galactic dining, and custom merchandise. Although Disney's theme park has tons to offer, we'll count our top for this highly themed area. First, let's talk about Rise of the Resistance. It's a live-action adventure ride that brings the Star Wars universe to life with fine detail and nuanced storytelling. This attraction will engage you in a mission against the First Order with a moving vehicle and interactive characters such as Poe, Rey, Finn, and BB-8. Love BB-8. The whole experience can be around 19 minutes long, from when you first see Rey to when you escape the clutches of Kylo Ren. This attraction is extremely popular and one of the most high-tech creations from Disney's Imagineering. Because of these two reasons, expect to wait a while in line for this ride. You can rope drop or get a lightning lane to lessen that wait. Next is Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. This is a thrilling ride that takes the rider into space for a compelling mission. The interactive ride puts you in charge of the Millennium Falcon itself with 5 other people who individually take different roles as crew members. You all must work together to help Hondo deliver the fuel to the Resistance. After all of the fun at these amazing attractions, you want a break. Stop by Oga's Cantina for some snacks and adult beverages. You will need a reservation as it can get crowded. But enjoy the atmosphere, drinks that make your lips numb, and listen to tunes played by a familiar DJ to old Star Tours fans. For food, there is Ronto Roasters. This quick service place has the crowd-pleasing Ronto wrap and snacks for breakfast and lunch. Mobile ordering is your friend here. For more of a sit-down feel, there is Docking Bay 7 with full meals that may sound and look intergalactic, but deep down are just chicken nuggets and Asian fusion bowls. All very tasty. For snacks, there's the Blue Milk Stand and Cat Sakka's Kettle for mixed flavored popcorn. Now let's talk about merch. You know Disney does it right. There are several shops in the bazaar to buy toys, clothing, and more. You could create your own droid at the Droid Depot, build a lightsaber at Savi's workshop. A must-see is Doc Ondor's Antiquities, where you can buy sabers from the Star Wars canon, as well as other accessories. Some experiences may require reservations and additional costs. Lastly, while you are enjoying the immersive landscape of Galaxy's Edge, keep your eye out for characters from the Star Wars universe. Rey and Chewie like to walk around the Millennium Falcon, and Kylo and the First Order can be seen by his ship near the Blue Milk Stand. There really is nothing else like it. All right, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com so we can help you make the most out of your next Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. May the Force be with you. Bye, everybody.